Natapon. Who did that? Do you have something to say to the people here?
Pag-conscious. Conscious.
CL yun eh. Running in place. Ge, hataw mo pa, hataw. Ge, woo, ha, ye, yo, woo. Woo. Yes.
I win!
You won?
Yeah?
Oh, more. Where's mommy? Oh no. Let's go. Look for mommy. We are in a hunt. Oh, mom's out there? I'll go. Look for mommy.
Eating inside a shopping mall. Have a good day.
Yay! Oh. Mamaya pagod yan, tulog. Oy, pwede to. Sakay si Ava pag tulog. That's breakable. No. Oh, you kissed it? Nandito na naman tayo. Ito basically yung mga job talaga ng mga tatay. Taga-tulak ng cart. Ang hirap ng ganito. Oh my God. Kasi naka-diet ako eh. May movie akong gagawin actually mag-start na siya next week. Ang title niya is Wild Boys. So mga kasama ko doon si Kuya and other mga guys din na solid kondisyon. So dapat, alam mo na, kaya nga Wild Boys, so dapat maganda yung physique natin lahat. So naghahanda ako. Pero nandito tayo sa Landers. My God! Hirap! Ano naman, dito ka lalong titibay. Kaya natin to. Tinan mo yung dalawa. Sobrang sweet. Hindi mo paghihiwalay. Ito mo, wait. Hindi mo mapaghihiwalay. Dikit to the max. Shucks, kita mo naman. Nasaan tayo? Ano yan? Ha?
I want Dutch milk blueberries, please.
What?
I want Dutch milk blueberries.
What's that? Can I see? Dutch milk? Blueberries? Grabe. Kanina, binuksan na niya tong Chips Ahoy. Di na niya natiis eh. Yan o, bukas na, di ba? Bawas na yan. Ilang piraso na lang. Tapos ngayon yung Dutch meal naman. Kaya para kay Ava yung grocery talaga. It's like a trip ng, siyempre, bonding with her mom. And also, kakainin niya lahat ng gusto niya makita. Tignan mo, ayun o.
Daddy, is it good?
Is it good? Yeah?
Do you want to try?
Go. It's yours.
Try. Oh, you're trying. Yummy. Daddy, try yummy.
Oh no, thank you, lovey. Daddy's on a diet, remember?
Hold it well, okay?
Yeah, don't drop it. Huh? Uh-oh. Uh-oh. What is that? Natapon. Who did that? Do you have something to say to the people here in Landers? You say sorry. Oh, you say here. Oh, so yeah. Okay. I'll show this so they will not get mad na.
Yeah, just say, sorry, I didn't mean it.
Okay, high five.
It's an accident, and accidents happen.
I only want the oranges now. Oh, the one that the beautiful car. Next time, more thing with
Ah, you might spill that na naman
I'm just not spilling it. I'm just doing this.
You're just doing that, you're not gonna spill it.
I'm making colder.
You're making it colder. Kanina pa kumakanta yan. Kanina pa, wala tigil. Si Mami non-stop naglalagay ng meat. Yung isa non-stop kumakanta. Sige, oh.
Want to go to the
I want to
playground
go to the playground later.
later? Okay, let's ask Daddy if we can go to the playground. Or do you wanna go
Only
swimming?
you.
Only me? You don't wanna go with Daddy?
I only asked Daddy I want to go to the playground later.
Okay, but you don't want Daddy to come?
I want Daddy to come.
So, why only Mommy?
Mom. Oh no, didn't you make
Oh
wee-wee?
no, you wipe your foot there and then let's have them wash it.
Right there at the Norito wee-wee. So, there's wee-wee upstairs.
Upstairs. Good morning.
Hey, say good morning to Daddy. Why are you sitting there? We're gonna cook pa. The pool in the village was closed, so we have to make do
Mom,
with
may I
this.
fluffy?
Yeah. Just keep the water inside so that the ano will get full. Okay, we have some snacks. A fan. Abiane, you want this one or you want this one?
I want that one.
Which one? This one? This is our favorite. What?
Pinasa ko na gano'n. Tapos, ow! Kumalim siya. So, pumasok sa tayo niya. Tapos, nag-alala ako kasi baka masakit. So, hindi ko finger niya. Tapos sabi niya, oh, better yung finger. Go eat first. First one.
Yummy. Can I have the other one? Cheers. Oh, you eat here.
It's so cold. Yan. Better. Sarap ng buhay. Big smile.
Kiss daddy. Kiss daddy. Kiss daddy. Kiss daddy.
More.
Again.
Chips, please.
Parang may mo sa mahal. Sinawi?
Hello. It's the next day. I don't know. We're cooking as a family. This is Vin's favorite food. Vietnamese spring rolls. I don't know if we've done this already on the vlog.
I don't know.
But yeah, this is his favorite thing to eat. So here he is. What Vin pala was chopping was shrimp. So basically, it's like a shrimp lumpia with some sotanghon and vegetables, and we eat it with greens and stuff. It's actually really good.
Pull this one.
Okay.
What is that? Pull. You. Look at that though. You did that. Very good though. This is the sauce. Meron tong buko juice, lime juice, fish sauce, sugar, what else? Chile, ginger, garlic. What else? Actually, yun na. Pwede na. Ooh. Daming sauce, no? Kasi gusto ko yung sauce na yan. Lagi ako nabibitin. Kaya kong inumin kasi yan. Kaya ang dami ng ginawa. Food is ready. So, we have rice, we have greens, we have this one. And nagiging normal na sa atin yung kimchi, no?
Yeah, with every kimchi.
And yeah, this is daddy's normal. Apat nilag log per meat. So yeah, ito na. Vietnamese spring roll. Usually dapat maraming greens to eh. Yung may basil, may mint.
Yeah, but it got thrown away.
Oh. So dip it in the sauce. Yung ginawa natin kanina. It's hot ah. Is it good? So good. May konting kick lang yung sauce na.
Okay,
Don't squish
Don't
it.
squish it. It's gonna go all over you again like yesterday.
Don't squish daddy.
Don't squish it.
That's mine.
House. My friend Krisha over there is leading the baking session with the kids. She's a teacher. She actually has a preschool. I will put their details here below if you guys are interested. But anyway, so it's okay if I make Sama, Stella, and Jacob in the vlog. Say hi!
Hi!
Jacob, say hi!
We will. You wanna put one more cup? You need to get No, you have to use a.
Why are you touching it?
That's not kinetic sand. Just feels like it. Now we'll put oil. And how does it feel like? What does it feel like?
Now it's
Do you like it? Is it like sand? Okay, stop. Okay, you can part. Do it slowly. Okay, go. And then we're gonna put how many eggs? How many eggs do we have?
2.
Who wants to crack? Okay, you will take turns cracking, okay? But we'll put it here first.
Okay.
So we'll make sure that the shell doesn't go inside. You're welcome. Try not to put... Okay. Galing. You hold on.
Can you?
Yes, I will. Okay, there. Thank you. Can I move it a little? There. Okay.
Circle.
It will be a circle. You think it will be a perfect circle? Or not really?
Yeah.
Thank you.
Oh.
Alright, let's put it there.
Yeah, we're gonna put it in the oven.
Okay, you know what the last time? Milk? Milk. Oh! You want milk?
Yeah.
Chocolate? A little warm. We can put it. Bombs, you did a good job, guys. My God, good job. I can make it. Did you fix it?
Tingnan natin yung ulan. Medyo malakas. Medyo matagal na yung huli naming ligo sa ulan. Kaya liligo tayo ngayon sa ulan. Ano? So mas excited.
Hurry, 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 hurry.
Sige mo liligo sa ulan. Nagpalit pa siya ng bathing suit.
Let's go, let's go!
Oh, let's go! Wait! Come on. Let's go! Let's go! Warm up! Wait for that! You wanna go outside?
Wow! She's jumping on the muddy puddle! She's been wanting to play in the puddle for so long. Muddy puddle. Kasi nakikita niya kay Peppa Pig. Look at her!
Naglagay ako ng post para si Ama. Oh. Come on, you ready? Ready also. Woo! Your turn. There's mommy. Ayaw maligo sa ulan. Bakit? Pregnant. Say hi. You love the rain?
Yeah.
You love it? You don't want to go home yet? Oh, there's a puddle. Walk in the puddle. In the muddy puddle.
Back home.
Huh? Sabi niya, I don't want to go back home. Yeah. Hunger? Gusto na niya maglakad-lakad. Ayaw niya umuwi, man. That's time toy.
Hey! Oh, bird! Bird, Daddy, bird!
Bird, yeah, they're hiding. Yeah. They cannot fly because it's raining. Their feathers are wet.
Hey fam, so I don't know what happened with our vlog, or the way we've been vlogging lately has been kind of all over the place. Really trying to get used to like making vlogging a habit and all of that. But it's the afternoon na. Ava and I just woke up from our nap. Hindi pa rin ako naliligo. We're making turon, so I'm doing lang the flour and water mixture to mix the thing. This little girl is ready to be my helper. We already have the banana wrappers. We cut it into half because we like the bananas also small. And Ava is going to put the sugar with the cinnamon, right?
Yeah.
Yes, she's gonna put it in this bowl. Hey.
Hello.
Hello. Hi, fam. We love to put cinnamon on our...
Come on.
Cinnamon. This is cinnamon. Wait. Ah! What was that? Why did it pop? Can I put baby doll here first?
Okay.
She'll watch. Baby doll, you watch. Okay, more. Put a lot of sugar. We need a lot of sugar. More? Mm-hmm. Can you put the cinnamon?
Yes.
Yes. Cinnamon. Cinnamon. No, I think it needs more.
What?
Mm-hmm.
A lot?
Yeah.
Why you have like that? It's a great battle.
Good.
A great battle.
But you're so funny.
I'm not touching that one. No need the floor.
You need the flour, yeah. Okay, you put the sugar and I will put the banana here.
I will put that one.
I want to do the flour na lang. Okay, let's put it in the pan. Okay, next.
Mom, can you be careful?
Yeah, it's so hot.
Don't touch that, okay?
Okay, other don't touch, okay?
Mommy, be careful.
I'm trying. Sige, sige.
Be brave, Mommy.
Be brave.
Yeah.
Careful with that. Don't touch that, don't touch that.
Let's just Alpha.
Come on, love. Let's give this na to daddy. Bring this to daddy. Put together.
Together, please.
Okay. You made the banana.
I need the banana.
Banana for me?
Yeah.
Thank you.
Can you share?
Yaman.
So hot.